So I'm going to assemble a AM3 Plus motherboard. Really, I'm just testing this unit, but I'm showing you that basically you can take that CPU, push it in there, push down that lever, make sure it lines up with the notches, and you could assemble everything yourself if you have never done it before. And I'm also showing you that you can do it without using a tower. Basically, it just takes the power supply unit and your motherboard, your CPU, your RAM to start up everything. The better way to do this is to make sure that you have a copper wrist brace or something similar to attach to the board to avoid static discharge, but I'm not doing that in this case because I know the CPU is basically dead. I mean, this motherboard is basically dead already, but when I say dead, it's just not functional. It will turn on for this demonstration. I'm putting in a 4-pin connector. That's the VGA for the monitor. So once that's all hooked up and you press down everything in place, you can take a flathead screwdriver and you can basically touch the pins of the power switch. You'll see it labeled on the motherboard, and you see how it turns on, but it'll immediately turn off because I know that motherboard's not good. And I was just basically testing it to see if I could get it working. And this is that last motherboard was an ASRock. This is a Gigabyte. It's the same process. This one has a video card placed on it, and it has a tower CPU. You can always look over everything. This one has colored code pins. Usually it's labeled P/W for power switch or whatever. It depends on the motherboard. But you can once again take a flathead and just touch the pins and it will activate everything. Make sure that you know what you're doing. If you don't know, you should see a professional. You know, this is the electricity we're dealing with, so you can get shocked. You shouldn't be playing around with this. This is not a joke. Again, this motherboard is also not good. I was just testing it and showing you how it can work. One of the problems, you know, in a motherboard is bad is that it will start up like this, but then the CPU or the video card will start to spin slower. You see how it's spinning slower there, but keeps on? Usually it's a motherboard problem.